Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex broker demo accounts. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. A Forex broker's demo account is a simulated trading environment provided by financial service providers that helps traders to practice and familiarize themselves with the dynamics of the foreign exchange market without risking real money. The virtual platform mirrors actual market conditions, allowing users to execute trades, test strategies, and gain hands-on experience in a risk-free setting. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex demo accounts can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe and reliable Forex broker and demo account to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex demo accounts. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FBS. FBS is a Forex and CFD broker which is authorized and regulated by the International Financial Services Commission of Belize and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Not only is FBS one of our top-rated, beginner-friendly brokers, but we also recommend trading with them if you are interested in using a cent account, trading cryptocurrencies, or copy trading. FBS has more than 23 million clients from over 150 countries, and they have won more than 30 international awards. With FBS, you can enjoy low-risk, low-cost trading on dozens of currency pairs, indices, stocks, metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies. And there are multiple account types and flexible payment methods to choose from. Featured platforms are available on the FBS Trader Platform, as well as the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on Windows and mobile applications. Their accounts are provided on Cent, Micro, Standard, Zero Spread, ECN, as well as Crypto and Pro accounts. With swap-free options available on the Cent account, Micro account, Standard account, Zero Spread account, and the ECN account. Each account offers different features and benefits respectively. A demo trading account is also available. FBS also provides their very own Forex analysis panels, informative market overviews, beginner, elementary, intermediate, and experienced Forex guides, a variety of video lessons that delve into various educational topics from opening your account to the use of their platforms, as well as seminars, webinars, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational resources with FBS. At number 4 on our list is Markets.com. Markets.com was founded in 2008 and is a well-regulated STP broker based in Australia, South Africa, and Cyprus. The broker is regulated by the CySEC, the ASIC, and the FSCA. This broker offers tight spreads, VIP services, and sophisticated technology for retail traders and institutional investors. However, it is also a suitable option for beginners, specializing in trading through Forex currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, commodity CFDs, bonds, index CFDs, equities, and ETFs. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the Markets.com proprietary trading platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Markets.com offers one standard multi-purpose trading account that can be used to access all the platforms and over 2,200 tradable instruments. However, you can also upgrade to a professional account if you are a high-volume trader or an institutional investor. Their accounts come with negative balance protection, minimal slippage, and tight spreads. Markets.com also provides their very own knowledge center that delves into traders' insights, honest expert opinions, and tips for trading and investing with confidence. You can also download their trading ebook and use X-Ray for professional news feeds, expert views, and market commentary. There are plenty of webinars, news updates, analysis reports, and other resources that you can use to help you learn more about trading. Coming in at number 3, we have IG. IG was founded in 1974 and is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority in the United Kingdom and the Australian Securities and Investments Commission in Australia, specializing in trading through Forex, indices, shares, commodities, options, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on the IG Trading Platform and the MetaTrader 4 platform. Both are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. IG only offers 2 main types of trading accounts and a demo account. The standard account is for retail day traders, and the more premium account for high net worth traders. The specific professional account requires certain criteria to be met regarding experience and trading capital, and allows greater levels of leverage in exchange for less regulatory protection. Their standard CFD account includes no setup fees or annual charges, access to demo accounts, live streaming charts, tools, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week customer phone support, and more. IG also provides their very own educational academy that delves into news and analytics, guides in risk management, webinars that you can register to, topics in strategy and planning, as well as their very own Academy mobile application for you to learn from if you are searching for any additional educational resources with IG. At number 2 on our list is City Index. City Index is an award-winning Forex broker that is authorized and regulated in the United Kingdom and is a subsidiary of StoneX Financial Limited and Gain Capital Holdings Incorporated. They are listed on NASDAQ, and they currently have more than 35 years of industry experience with nearly 300,000 clients from all around the world. City Index offers competitive spreads on all their account types, and there are more than 12,000 indices, shares, Forex pairs, metals, bonds, options, and commodities that you can trade on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. In addition to providing updated, in-depth market news with plenty of articles on trending market topics and a variety of educational resources, you will also be able to use a wide range of trading tools, and they offer professional and premium accounts for traders who are ready to take their portfolios to the next level. City Index offers only one type of live trading account, but there are 2 types of demo accounts you can open and a VIP professional account. The standard account is suitable for all types of traders, including beginners. The minimum deposit required to activate this account is £100. However, your account can be funded using a variety of currencies, including the US dollar and euros. If you are an experienced trader and you are looking for a more personalized experience, with more advanced trading tools and more flexible trading conditions, then we would recommend applying for a professional account. As a City Index client, you will be able to connect your account to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform and the City Index proprietary trading application. Their mobile application is designed to be beginner-friendly, with all the tools and advanced features that more experienced traders need to take their trading to the next level. It comes with intuitive, configurable charting tools, real-time price alerts, and over 80 technical indicators. This app can also be used on desktops, and you can use it as a demo account first to test out the tools and features offered. With City Index, account holders who want to engage in copy trading can do so through the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. MetaTrader 4 supports traders looking to run their own algorithmic programs, and it is also possible to install the third-party software, Expert Advisors, which allows City Index clients to apply the trading signals of others onto their own account. If you are new to trading, then we would recommend opening an account with City Index, because you can open multiple demo accounts, and you will be able to use your demo account for up to 7 weeks. Once you've opened a demo account, you can visit the training section on the website to access a variety of detailed introductory courses, guides on trading strategies, and high-quality courses that are designed for beginners and professional traders respectively. There are many advantages to trading with City Index, but what we like most about them is that they are regulated by multiple top-tier agencies across several jurisdictions, and they offer thousands of tradable instruments with accounts that are suitable for absolute beginners and high-net-worth professionals. City Index has been awarded for having one of the best platforms for active traders, and their professional account could be a great competitive advantage in the markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex broker demo accounts, we have GKFX Prime. GKFX Prime is a popular beginner-friendly social trading broker that was founded in 2012. This broker offers trading services in more than 20 countries worldwide and provides customer support in 12 international languages. GKFX Prime is regulated and inspected by the British Virgin Islands Financial Services Commission and is the registered trademark of International Finance House Limited. This broker also has a branch in Cambodia, which is authorized and regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission of Cambodia, and both entities are part of the Global Capital Group. GKFX Prime has received many awards over the years and was recently awarded for offering reliable customer support and for being one of the best brokers for trading CFDs. GKFX Prime offers a wide range of commodities, indices, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and Forex pairs. There are more than 40 tradable currency pairs, and the spreads on currency pairs typically start from as low as 0 pips. In general, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 400 on all accounts when trading with GKFX Prime. As a GKFX Prime client, you can trade using MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader 5 was launched 5 years later. And many new features were introduced, including advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading functionality, and much more. GKFX Prime offers 4 types of accounts, which include the standard fixed account, the standard variable account, the VIP variable account, and the ECN 0 account. The ECN 0 and VIP variable accounts have the lowest spreads. However, a minimum deposit of at least $5,000 is required. All accounts except for the ECN 0 account are commission-free. and the standard variable and VIP variable accounts offer the most Forex pairs. No minimum deposit is required when opening any of the other accounts. However, the VIP account gives you exclusive access to professional trading tools and requires a higher minimum deposit. If you are new to trading, then we recommend practicing using a demo account first, until you have a solid understanding of how trading works, as there are high financial risks involved. As a client, you will get access to a variety of educational resources, AutoChartist, Trading Central, analysis and research material, virtual private service, and much more. GKFX Prime is an excellent choice for beginners, and we recommend visiting the educational section before you open a live trading account. We also recommend downloading all the free ebooks provided to make sure you have a solid understanding of how to trade, read charts, and build strategies. You can also use their economic calendar to gain fundamental insights into the markets. One of the perks of trading with this broker is having access to AutoChartist, which is a powerful market analysis tool and MetaTrader plugin. This tool provides chart patterns, 6 different Fibonacci patterns, global market analysis, and in-depth volatility analysis. You can also use AutoChartist to monitor your performance, and this is one of the best tools for identifying opportunities and managing risks. In addition to the resources provided, you will also have access to a margin calculator, a profit calculator, and a currency converter. These tools will help you refine your trading strategies by making it easier to make more accurate trading decisions. We also recommend bookmarking the trading glossary to use as a reference when you come across new terminology or any unfamiliar words. Overall, GKFX Prime is an award-winning broker that has been around for many years, and this broker is trusted by thousands of traders worldwide. GKFX Prime's retail clients are insured up to $3.5 million, and their funds are securely held in segregated accounts with Tier 1 banks. By joining this broker, you will get access to powerful trading platforms and tools, high-quality research material, beginner-friendly ebooks, and there are 4 types of accounts to choose from. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex broker demo accounts on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.